GPTs of ChatGPT, that is generate video to text to video maker. Right, this is the first time that I'm exploring. What I'm going to do is I have copied my one of my recent posts from LinkedIn, that I have put it for the image to text GPT. So I just want this GPT to create a video from this below text, right? So what I will do as a prompt is that, hey, can you convert the following LinkedIn post into a 40-second video? That's it. So I'm just going to give it to him, and okay, it wants to open hello. So here are the two narratives. Idea one, artistic transformation. So it is giving a storyboard by saying artistic transformation or visual narrative. Okay, it is also giving some ads. I will go with the artistic transformation because that is the one I like it. I hope it comes as black and white and all those stuff. So he's saying this is the script voiceover from the humble beginning of rural life. If you are agree, okay. This is the voiceover. There is a visual, and then the followers. And finally, the pinnacle of corporate success as CEO. A call to action for followers for more credible journeys and creative. So I will just say create video. It is starting action. Okay, generate video text wants to talk to chat.prompt.com. Confirm. Video being generated. Okay. Okay. This is one good one. So I will just open it. Okay, it is copy link. I'll just open it. I think copy link. Okay. Okay. It is not opening. Oh, get optimized. So access the journey. Okay. I will just click here. I think I have created a number of videos from InVideo. So it is integrated to InVideo, right? So I am already there. So join with Google. Already have this account. So video is kind of ready. This is the video. The moment I go to download here, stock watermarks, no problem. Normal is okay. Continue. So it will create a video, and then all you have to do is you have to just download this. So what we learned today is just to create a video using integrating with GPT and giving that as a prompt via GPT, and then it will straight open InVideo and create that video for you. So it is a basic integration between ChatGPT and InVideo. I think you more or less created a video in 60 seconds, right? So this is as simple as that. And NVIDIA has no watermarks on the normal videos except stock footages, so you can always use it as well by editing the script. Okay, thank you so much, friends, and have a good day to you.